Hey guys, welcome to Dave's DIY. Today, I'm going to be making a bit of a crafty thing, like a mad horse's head. My missus has been going on at me about it for ages. She wants to make this horse's head. It's a ply backing, and then it's got bits of this tree all over it, and it looks amazing. So she wants to make one, she wants to auction it off for a local animal sanctuary that she does a lot of work for. So I've had my arm twisted and it looks like I'm gonna have to do it. So I'm taking a break out of my busy duties today in order to do this. So let's do it. So now I am just trimming up the horse's hair and mane, and I tell you what, it's really difficult. This is so thick. Can't cut it with the scissors hardly. Secateurs don't want to cut it. Try to cut it with the shears. No. I could get the chainsaw out, but probably overkill. So I'm going to continue trimming it with the scissors. I'm trying to get it flat-ish, and it doesn't cut well at all, so it's very small cuts. Could take me a couple of weeks to get this polished up. To hang the horse's head, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a screw in the back and then hang it with some string. Okay, tie a little knot in there. Tie a little knot in there. I'm definitely going to do it this time. Now I'm just going to check it first. Oh, good, I'm happy with that hang. That's a good hang. Brilliant, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to put another screw next to it just to make it super tight. There we go, and I'm just going to... And there we are. There she is, all done. Now getting into the Christmas spirit now. My wife really wanted one of these fancy horses for Christmas. Be it on the front door, lounge door, we'll see. But I've managed to do it, and I'll tell you what, it was difficult, very difficult. It took me about 2 hours this morning climbing halfway up a mountain to get all the Scots pine needles. And then once I got all of them back, I cut a piece of ply, and then we used a hot glue gun, and then we glued on the Scots pine. And then obviously then it needed real trimming down here, and oh, the needles are hard to cut. So all trimmed, and then we've used some old rope which we've had in our Christmas box for years and not knowing what to do with it. So we've used it to make the harness. We've used an old decoration for the top head. We've used some string to hang it up. We've used a pine cone button for the nose, and as you can see, it actually looks really good. I'm really proud of it. Size wise, oh, it's about 60 centimetres high, about 60 centimetres wide as well. So I think it's came out alright. So do me a favour guys, hit that subscribe button and the share. Thanks.